Hello, today I will be showing you how to use Google Slides as a free Photoshop. To do this, we will be using the cropping tool. Double tap the image you want to crop to be able to edit it. Make sure to watch until the end of the video so you can see the finished picture. Now I will show you how we will be using the cropping tool for photoshopping an image. First, copy and paste the background. Then line it up where you want it with the image. Repeat all of these steps over and over again until you have the image you want. If you want to rotate the cropped image so it's diagonal, then rotate it, then double tap it, then rotate the image so that it lines up with the background. You can see me doing these steps here. Here's what to do if the image has to curve to fit perfectly. First, select the image. Then click next to the cropping button at the top of the page, click the down arrow. This will let you change its shape. Now you can make it curve. You can see me doing it here. Here is a time lapse of me finishing it. Now we are finished with the image. Here is the finished product. Please subscribe.